Hello guys, this video is going to be about Nerf guns. We are going to be doing a range test of the Mega Centurion and the Hailfire. They are both really high. They have really high potential, so I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. So now we're going to finally see which is better, the Mega Centurion or the Hailfire. Okay, everybody, we are going to be starting with the Hailfire. I'm going to be shooting 3 darts flat and 3 darts angled, and then I'll switch off to the Mega Centurion. Okay, here we go. Those were the 3 flat shots, and now we're going to be doing angled. That was all of them. I'll be back with the results. Okay, here we go. So, this is the line that we start at. Here's 10 feet. Here's 20 feet. And the first flat shot landed just right in that groove, so right about at 28 feet. The other 2 landed just past about, I would say, 35 feet. So that was all the flat shots. Now let's look at the angled shots. The first one landed just past 40, so that's about 41 feet. The other 2 both landed just before 50. I would say 49 or 48. Okay, that was the results for the Hailfire. Now let's do the Mega Centurion. Okay guys, here is the Mega Centurion. It is really long. It is actually the longest Nerf gun in the world so far. So, yep, let's go do it. Three flat, then 3 angled. For some reason, that actually did not shoot. So, let's cock it again, and it should shoot now. I'll be back with the results from the Mega Centurion. I gotta tell you guys, the very first shot really actually disappointed me. because it got less than the Hellfire, and it is a mega gun. Okay, so this is rolling. Gotta keep it where it's supposed to be. It was about 25 or 27 feet. Now, look how close these two are. That is so wow. But then I was much more impressed with the second shot. It got all the way over to about 47 feet. That is a lot compared to what did I say, 27 or something? That's like 20 more feet. That's a big difference. Now, this next one hit about 31 feet. So, that was all three. I'm really disappointed with the first one and the third one for the Mega Centurion. I was also very disappointed with the Hellfire. Usually, they perform better. So, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe, comment, and like. If you want to see more Nerf battles, do not comment on which guns you want until I do my Nerf Arsenal video, so you know what Nerf guns I have. So, this was the Mega Centurion against the Hellfire. This is Nathan, signing off.